Hey, I just want to order a couple of pizzas. Yeah. Okay, so let me get a large cheese and a large pepperoni pizza, with extra pepperoni. Yeah, that's the same address. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then I'll pay for everything with cash. How many people this is for? This is for 7 people. Yeah. Yeah, let's go with that. Extra cheese. Yes. And if you could throw some plates in there and everything too, that'd be great. Okay, yeah, awesome, thanks. I gotta go. All right, bye. Camera started rolling. Yeah. Hey there guys, Josh here, and I just wanted to take a quick second and do a video of a new product that I ended up buying for myself. Airpower is dead, so now we need to find some kind of replacement for it. And if you're a big tech guy like I am, then you've been scouring the internet for something that works the exact same way as Airpower. While we don't have the exact product out there, since it's never going to make it to market, I did end up finding a really good solution, and I'm just going to share that with you guys today. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So here I have the Slicecharge Pro, and what this is a 6-coil wireless charger for pretty much anything that charges wirelessly. Mainly I'm using it for my iPhone, my Apple Watch, and my AirPods, which I have over here today too. So I'm going to test all 3 of those things charging in front of you guys so you can see exactly how it works and what comes in the box and everything like that too. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and just take the thing out. So it did come with a couple of things. So here I just have the box itself, and there it just has just a few things there. So this is the box itself. You can just see everything that's coming in the box there too. It does come in a few different colors. So it comes in a white, it comes in a gray, and it also comes in a navy blue. The option I chose for myself was a navy blue. So here you have a little sticker here that indicates what color you got, but that's not really important. What's really important would be what it does and what's inside the box too. So here you can see all the different coils that go along in there. So there's 5 different coils that's just overlapping each other, and that allows you to pretty much throw your phone on it anywhere on the pad and it'll start charging wirelessly. But it also has that Apple Watch charger right here. This way you can charge that overnight. Basically this works with any of the iPhones and Samsung phones that are out there that charge wirelessly. Also works for all the Apple Watches as of this video. Here goes some more specs on the item itself. I'll include all those things in the description below too, as well as a link to where you can purchase your own. And then in the box, what we're actually going to get is going to be the base. So the base is the actual charger itself. We're also going to get the certified Apple charger integrated into the base itself too. This also comes with its own power adapter, and it's going to come with a USB-C cable, which is about 3.3 feet, which is a pretty standard anyway for anything that you're going to get out there. But here's the box. I just got it a couple of days ago, and I mean it came in pretty bad shape, but as long as everything's working on the inside, I can care less. I just want it to work. But let's just go ahead and open this thing up and see what is in there. Some of the things that it came with were the instructions, support items, but this here is the base charger itself. Definitely enough space to put 2 phones here and then your Apple Watch, which is great. Here you're going to get your USB-C to USB-C power brick here. It's really big, where it has the prongs that fold in and out. The input for the USB-C. This is going to be a 30-watt charger too, so it supports up to 30 watts. What I did also purchase was a stand for this thing. So with this, it has a few instructions, real straightforward. But this is just to prop it up from being flat like this and just having it at an angle like that. So let us take that out. This comes in 3 pieces. This here is the base itself. Has a little bit of cable management, little seafoam base. Here, this is the back for it, or the support anyway. So that is the stand there. We're going back to the base here. The top of the base is of fabric, so this kind of reminds me of like a denim. Like I said, it's a really wide area over here. You can easily just throw a couple of phones there. And then here is the Apple Watch charger. So you can either lay your Apple Watch flat on top of it, or you can actually push up this hinge and you can lay it on its side. The ring around it is a plastic. I thought it was stainless steel, which would have been a really nice touch, but I mean, I guess I'm getting what I pay for. Flipping it around and just checking out all the other details. So here you have that little red tab with the apple cider logo on it. The bottom of it is a rubbery plastic, which feels kind of nice. But here it says the name of the company, what it is, the Slicecharge Pro, 6 coils. That this part is just for the stand here, which I ended up purchasing. This is certified and everything by the FCC. Just plug everything in and just test drive it right now. There's the brick. Boom. Easy. And just for an example, let's just throw my phone on it. And then that starts charging. And throwing it on the other side. That charges there too. But what makes this charger really unique is that you can throw it anywhere on it. So it doesn't have to be dead in the center here or here so that it can work. So like right in between both of the spots, it charges there too. Or kind of in between both of those. That charges too. Then in between both of those. That's still charging. Now let's throw a watch on there too and just make sure that everything is still charging. So here I have my Apple Watch, the Series 4. Just to throw that on there. My watch was actually dead, so it didn't already have that little indicator, but now it does show that it is starting to get a charge. Let's throw my new AirPods on there, which I just got too, so I'm really excited about it. I ended up getting the AirPods with the wireless charging case. This way it's just all simple and easy and clean. Just so you can see here, this is the one with the wireless charging, how it has that indicator there in the front. So once you see that indicator on, then that should be charging. When it's orange, that means it is charging. So just throwing it right there in the middle, you can see that it starts charging right there too. And that's not the only place I have to have it. I can switch them over. That starts charging again. Or right in the middle of them. So literally I can just throw this anywhere I want on this. And it does charge. But in short, that is my little unboxing of the Slicecharge Pro and my short review on it. Leaving my phone on there for a little bit, it does get a little bit warm after a while, which is kind of normal that I've seen with some wireless chargers, but it hasn't gotten anything concerningly warm. My phone did end up getting a little bit warm charging everything, but not to the point where I showed any kind of concern or anything that's above normal from what I've seen with other wireless chargers that I bought. And I've bought genuine ones, I bought some generic ones too, just so I can have some spare ones lying around the house and everything. But this works exactly how I thought it would, exactly how I thought it should have. I did buy the first generation and I was a big fan of it, so I was really excited about this second product. And I highly recommend this as an Airpower replacement. Though it doesn't have the same functionality as the watch would with the Airpower, but for what it is, this is a great substitute and I recommend it to anybody that buys it. If you have any questions on anything, feel free to give me a shout. I mean, I'm not the guy who made it, but I have it, and it is gonna take a while until it actually gets out on shelves. This way everybody else can get it too. So it is really exciting to be one of the first early adopters with it. Drop a comment below. Definitely subscribe to this video too. This way you can see other videos that I have as they come out. And I really hope you enjoy this and share this around with your friends. I'll see you next time, alright guys? Later. You've got mail.